Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably one of the best college chairs for dorm rooms, the Chill Sack Beanbag Chair. If you're searching for the perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability for your living space, this chair might just be what you need. The Chill Sack Beanbag Chair is a giant, 5-foot memory foam lounge chair covered in a soft microfiber fabric, designed to provide cozy furniture for living rooms, dorms, and kids' rooms alike. Measuring 60 inches by 60 inches with a height of 34 inches, this oversized lounger gives you plenty of space to relax. Whether you want to curl up with a book, play video games, or simply chill out, it molds perfectly to your body, offering a seat that truly feels like it's hugging you back. What sets this beanbag apart is its filling, a shredded memory foam blend that combines durability with incredible softness. Unlike traditional beanbags filled with beads or pellets, this memory foam blend maintains its shape better over time, providing consistent comfort without sagging or flattening. This makes it a fantastic choice for anyone who wants their beanbag chair to last through the college years and beyond. The cover is another highlight. It's made from premium microfiber microsuede, which is soft and supple to the touch but also highly practical. This fabric is water-resistant, stain-resistant, and discoloration-resistant, which means it's easier to keep clean and looking fresh even in a busy dorm environment. Plus, the cover is removable and machine washable, making maintenance hassle-free. Craftsmanship is solid here, with double-stitched seams and premium zippers, ensuring strength and durability. The chair is handmade in the USA, which adds a layer of quality assurance. The fabric and foam blend come together to create a cozy furniture piece that's not only comfortable but also built to withstand regular use. This beanbag chair is a versatile addition to any space. Its large size means you can even share it with a friend, or spread out comfortably on your own. It fits perfectly in basements, family rooms, bedrooms, or dorm lounges, making it a multi-purpose seating option. Whether for studying, gaming, or just lounging, the Chill Sack provides an inviting place to relax. If you're concerned about style, the Chill Sack comes in a variety of colors, with the black microfiber version offering a sleek, modern look that blends well with almost any decor. The solid pattern and plush texture add a touch of sophistication to what might otherwise be considered casual furniture. In summary, the Chill Sack Beanbag Chair combines oversized comfort, high-quality shredded memory foam, and a durable, easy-care microsuede cover into one cozy package. It's designed to support both youth and adults, making it an excellent choice for college students looking to upgrade their dorm seating with something both functional and stylish. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a dorm chair that truly lives up to the promise of comfort and durability, the Chill Sack Beanbag Chair is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.